Hi everyone, here's another quick SAP Business One tip. Passwords are like underwear. You don't let people see them, you should change them often, and you shouldn't share them with strangers. If you want to ensure that only authorized individual can access user accounts, don't worry. As an IT internal or super user, you can easily set password rules for all users in SAP Business One. This feature is called password administration, which allows you to strengthen your company's security by setting password parameters such as expiration period, required digits, uppercase or lowercase characters, and more. To access this feature, go to Admin, Setup, General, Security, and click Password Administration. Key settings explained. First, security level. You can choose from low, medium, high, or customs. Next is the expiration after. Set the number of days before password expires. Use -1 if you want the password to never expire. Next, minimum length. Set the minimum number of characters required for the password, approximately 4 to 10 characters. Next is the minimum number of upper characters. Set how many uppercase letters must be included. Next is the minimum number of lowercase characters. Set how many lowercase letters must be included. Next is the minimum number of digits. Set how many numbers must be included, usually at least one for medium or high security. Next, minimum number of non-alphanumeric characters. Set how many special characters are required such as punctuation mark, $sign, question mark, and etc. Next is password cannot match. When a password is changed, SAP Business One verifies that the new password is different than the last password. Last is authentication before user account is locked. Set the number of failed login attempts allowed before the account is locked. Once the user is locked, the user will no longer be able to log in to SAP Business One. Important reminder, after making changes, don't forget to click the update button. How user can change their password. Go to Administration, Setup, General, Security, and click the Change Password. The user must enter old password, new password, confirm new password. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload new SAP Business One tip and tutorials. See you in the next video.